Dispose in trash after use. Well, thank you for Say Beauty. I think I would have kept them as in a Sometimes the instructions on products make me chuckle because why would they need to tell me to throw or discard something after use? Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what was in the Trendmood First Aid Beauty box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so I actually snagged a Trend Beauty box, which is always difficult because A, you have to be paying attention to your smartphone, and this one ain't so smart, and they sell out really quickly. So I'm curious, since this one isn't very makeup heavy at all, which is why I was able to get it. I love me some skincare, and First Aid Beauty is a really great brand. This box costs $39 and has a 98-cent routing package protection. Not sure what that is, but the grand total was $39.98. Okay, super excited. And by the way, I am filming this on April the 10th, and I just went on their website, and boxes are still available. So if you enjoy this, snag it before it sells out. So the first item here is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. And we get 50 milliliters. So that is the largest full size when it comes to face creams. Here is the packaging. It's hefty. This is a real glass jar. Has one of those little tampers. Oh, it's quite a thick cream here. That is lovely. All right, I'm excited. Next item. What is this? All right, these are the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant Colloidal Oatmeal. Ooh, what is that? Let's take a, oh, okay, so this comes safety sealed. Let's read a little more info on this. It says, used to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. Yes, I have very dry skin. Okay, so I'm wondering if these are those little pads. Oh no, it's a cream. So I took that off. This is like foil. Ooh, it is very, very full to the brim here. I'm going to scrape off the excess. Let's give this a shot. Again, the same no scent, very slight smells of the ingredient smell. That is lovely as well. All right, my skin is going to be lovely after this box. All right, what is the next item? This here is the Facial Radiance Pads. Okay, so these are the pads. Packaging is similar, and I have received these in, I want to say an Ipsy. These help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And here we get 60 pads. Okay, I think the one I got from Ipsy might have had 28 or 30 pads. Maybe it's the same size. So it says, wipe this alcohol-free pad across the face, neck, and décolletage once or twice daily after cleansing. Dispose in trash after use. Well, thank you for Say Beauty. I think I would have kept them as in a Sometimes the instructions on products make me chuckle because why would they need to tell me to throw or discard something after use? I find that hilarious. All right, so these are quite lovely. I'm lazy, and so without needing a cotton pad and taking a lid off something and squirting it, and you just grab and love it. All right, next item. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. What is a Fab? It says it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. Yes, and this is 5 ounces or 142 grams. That's quite a large, lovely cleanser. Okay, now on to the last item. Ooh, this guy's heavy. What is this? We have here Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. Safe for sensitive skin. Wow. 10% AHA, but it's safe for sensitive skin? That's amazing. This is an 8-ounce tube or 226 grams. And I'm going to need the help of my little friend here to read what this is all about. So this fast-acting resurfacing body treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. Glycolic and lactic acids at a combined level of 10% help loosen skin's top layer and decongest pores, while pumice microcrystals slough it all away. Contains bisabolol and colloidal oatmeal to help soothe skin. This hardworking exfoliator helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. Ooh, girl, I feel for you if you got scaly areas. Thank God I don't. But if you do, this may be your savior. It says, apply the product onto wet skin and gently massage over problem areas. Rinse and follow with moisturizer. Use once or twice a week as tolerated. Not intended for facial use. Oh, okay. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. Well, if you're not supposed to use your face, you should definitely avoid your eyes because, yeah. Okay, so this, I guess some people have, I forget what they're called, this stuff like it's on their arms or bumps on their arms, so that would be really good. All right, comment down below. I know that this is, I'm going to say skincare heavy. This is a skincare box. Not everyone is into skincare as much as I am. I find that this box has spectacular products, and for $39, I'm going to list the full value, and I bet our minds are going to be blown away. I'm going to assume at least each of these products is $20 to $30, and we have 5 of them. So for 39 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. Let's recap what we got. We got Ultra Repair Cream for hydration. We got an Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. We got an exfoliating and toner pads. We got a face cleanser and a bump erasing body exfoliating product. That's really good. All right. I'm super excited that I was able to snag myself a Trendmood box and one with products from First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty has really great skincare products and focuses on products that are great for people with sensitive skin. So that is fantastic. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Hey, do me a favor, click that little thumbs up button. It really helps out with the algorithm. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, remember to hit that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. All right, thanks everyone.